Imagine turning your home into a thriving business center, and we're about to unveil the strategies to make it all happen. If you're ready to transform your living space into a hub of economic resilience, then stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be armed with the keys to unlock home-based business success. Let's dive into the economic survival kit together. Hey there, all you entrepreneurial champs out there. Welcome back to Hustle and Heartbeat. I'm your host, Isai Rodriguez, and this is where I share all the actionable tips to help you move your business forward by 1 inch each and every single day. So if you're ready to turn your business dreams into a visual masterpiece, then hit that subscribe button, grab your creative hat, and let's get started. And by the way, all these hacks that I'm sharing with you, I personally use them daily in my own business, and it's basically what's helped me take my side hustle and make it basically my main gig. And I'm putting it all together in a free training video for anyone who's interested in all those secrets. It's not exactly 100% done right now, but you can follow the link in my bio or down in the description of this video, and you'll be one of the first to get that experience once it's 100% available. In the meantime, we're going to get right into the golden nuggets of this episode. So our focus today is on using online platforms to supercharge your home business. It's like having the world at your doorstep, quite literally. And in 2023, almost 2024, I'm sure you're well aware of that, right? But where do you start, right? Like that's the big question. A lot of people don't know where to start. So first, let's talk about the power of your online presence. This world that we live in is more connected than ever before. You know, can you agree with that? I'm pretty sure we can all agree with that. But having a strong online presence is like having a huge neon light that says, hey, check out this amazing business, right? We're talking about social media, websites, and all the other digital playgrounds that, you know, where your potential customers hang out, right? So real quick, drop in the comments and let me know which online platform you find most effective for your home business, right? Are you leveraging any online platforms? Let's share our insights and, help each other grow just a little bit more. Now, while you're doing that, let's dive into the social media magic. So, I guess I don't have to explain it to you that platforms like Instagram and Facebook and TikTok and Twitter, they're not just for sharing dance videos and cat videos and all that stuff. You should think of them as your digital storefronts, your digital billboard, if you will, right? So when you think of social media, think of it as a free place where you can attract your potential customers, your ideal customers, right? It's the ocean where you're gonna go fishing for sharks. It's the proverbial house party, if you will, where you go to meet and network with other like-minded people, right? Social media is where where you meet new people, you start new relationships, and it's where you'll showcase your products, right? You'll basically engage with your audience and turn those likes into loyal customers and potential business partners in the future. So, ever thought about becoming the go-to expert in your niche? So, if that's you and if you've given it any thought, then blogging is your ticket. Or wait, let's say content. Content is more than anything is your ticket. Blogging is just one of those, one form of content. But that being said, that like a simple blog can really elevate your business, right? It can take it to that next level. It can boost your credibility and draw in customers who are genuinely interested in what it is that you have to offer, right? And so it's like sharing your wisdom with the world, right? And then when you're ready to take your business and products, beyond the borders of Facebook and Instagram, that's when we come across like that's when e-commerce comes into the mix, right? This is your digital bodega, if you will, your digital corner convenience store slash market where you sell your thing, right? Whatever that thing is that you're selling. So with your digital store in place, you can reach customers far and wide throughout. Like, you can easily make your home business a global sensation, right? The world is literally your marketplace, right? You have everything within you to make that happen. So there you have it, my homepreneurs. That's a wrap for today's lesson. The digital keys to unlocking growth for your home business is making sure you have those 3 points that we just talked built into your business plan. You want a social media presence, a content machine that showcases your brilliance, right? And essentially, you need an online store, obviously. This is yet another key that opens up the door to freedom. It opens up the door for you to escape your own personal rat race. It allows you to live life on your terms and build success in your business and personal life. So if you found value in today's video, hit the thumbs up, share this with your fellow hustlers, and drop me a comment below to let me know your thoughts on today's lesson. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more tips just like this one on navigating the exciting world of entrepreneurship, and follow the link in the description to discover the exact steps that I took to turn my side hustle into my main gig. This is Isai Rodriguez signing off. Until the next time, keep growing, keep exploring, keep thriving in this world of online possibilities, and as always, stay legendary. With that said, I'll catch you on the next video. Take care now. Bye.